Hey, howdy, hey, friends. How are you? Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
There you go.
Felice Año Nuevo.
Oh, look at you. Wow. So,
I practiced that.
that's excellent. I'm so proud of you. So, we are here. I am in my jammies and ready for bed, even though it's 7 p.m. because I am fighting a cold and feel like poo. But my delightful wife, Sidekick Susana here, made a little commitment to herself, to our business. And so we are here to kick that off.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
We purchased a Youology kit for me a few months ago, and I decided January 1st was the best time to start a new skincare regimen. Just want to say this is not a resolution. It's just the beginning of something new. So, here we go. We are introducing the Youology kit that was made especially for me. And when you choose your zoology boosters, Youology boosters, you get to name your kit after yourself. So Julie has the Julieology, and Connie has the Connieology, and Lois has the Loisology. But I did not want Susanaology. Too much. Don't you agree? Share a heart if you agree. So, we went with a really fun name. My Youology kit is known as Zoology. Zoology. Not Sue. Zoology. And you, too, could be zoology. Anyways, back to the business at hand.
Okay, so first things first. What has your skincare routine been up until now?
I typically wash my face when I take a shower.
Okay.
Sometimes I'll splash some water around my eyes before I go to bed, and also when I get up in the morning.
Ah, great. We have a low battery. Special. Well, that's not much.
No, it isn't.
So this is
And
obviously...
this is not getting any younger.
So obviously this is going to be a huge adjustment for you to get used to having to do new stuff.
Yep, I'm committing to 5 minutes in the morning and 5 minutes before I go to bed to wash my face and put on the serums and the creams.
Perfect. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to wash your face with cleanser. So this is our cleanser, and this has been mixed up for Susana. So it has her boosters. So each booster...
What booster do I have?
What booster do you have? Let's look at...
You did this so long ago that I don't remember.
I know. You have a replenishment booster, a hydrating booster, and an exfoliating booster.
All very good for this face that spends a lot of time outside.
Yes. And so for each of these items, you get to choose 3 boosters to go with it. So like my skincare needs are not the same as Susana's skincare needs. Susana's skincare needs.
Susana.
And so you get to customize your skincare regimen to be perfect for you. And there, like between the 4 products, there are 40,000 different combinations of how that could come out. So I'm pretty sure we can find something that's going to work for you. All right. So,
all right. I'm going to go wash my face with my cleanser, and I'll be back to put on my night cream.
Can you also bring me a charger, which is sitting on the coffee table?
I sure will.
Thanks, love. So let's talk a little bit more about skin type stuff. So more than 50% of our aging of our skin, thank you, One moment, please. I meant to do this before we went live. Da, da, da. All right. All right. I think we're good. Okay, so more than 50% of our aging comes from external agents. Those external agents are sun exposure, pollution, those are, environmental, but then you also have smoking, alcohol, stress, poor sleep, and bad eating, which are all lifestyle changes. So all of that can affect your skin. And so if you don't drink enough water, guess what? Your skin's gonna be impacted. Huge problem for me. I am so bad at hydrating. Super, super bad. And so this Youology is not going to, take care of your bad habits. Like if you smoke, if you eat, greasy foods every day, it's not going to take care of that. But it will help clear up some issues. And I have a skincare quiz that helps you to determine where you want your focus to be. Because like I said, every one of these products, there's 4 base products. Every one of them has its own boosters that go with it. So, as soon as Susana comes back, ooh, she was speedy. She washes her face very quickly.
I'm back.
Hi, cutie.
Hi.
Okay, so Susana did step 1 of her routine. So she started with her cleanser. And now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to do your serum. Now, this helps to hydrate your face and just make your skin ready for the next step, which is your night cream.
Beautiful.
So you don't need a ton of this. I'm going to give it to you in your hand. And then
that is a tiny amount.
Just one little pump. And now you're just going to take that and then rub it around. And gentle. It's very important to be gentle with your face. No home alone, slapping it, no being rough. We're not playing rugby. We're doing skincare. How's it feel?
Great.
Okay. Don't forget to do the neck.
I did.
Okay, good. Because our necks really hot, they give away our age a lot. So you can firm all this up, but if you have an old looking neck, it's gonna show.
You'll be doomed for turtlenecks forever.
Dickies. Okay, so this is the third product which Susana is going to use tonight, which is the night cream. Now, I mixed this up for her, and you don't need a ton. So I have these little spatulas. They come with your Youology stuff so that you can mix up all your bundles or all your boosters. So just tap that on your face in various places. See, so you don't need a ton at all.
That really went a long way.
There you
Don't forget your nose.
Other side too. Perfect. All right.
Here we go now.
Now rub in gently. Yes, gently. We're going to learn something new for Susana. It's called being gentle to your skin. So, this is going to put hydration back into her face. It's going to help with just replenishing her skin.
These lines will fill in a little bit.
Yeah. So, in the night cream, so each one of these comes with what the boosters are that were selected. So we have a replenishment booster, a hydrating booster, and a time correcting booster. You know what that's for?
Aging.
Yes.
Somebody who's getting near their 50th birthday is talking to me about aging.
Oopsie. Yes, except everybody thinks I'm going backwards. So,
true.
There we go. So, Youology for you. That's it for tonight. So Susana will check in tomorrow. She will do a morning routine, which is very similar to this one. It just includes day cream instead of night cream. And, we'll start to see how you feel.
We did a before picture this afternoon in the good light. And I'm here so that if you have any questions about Youology or skincare, you can see the transformation that will happen in the next 30 days, and then you have the opportunity to try it for yourself.
And one other thing, that was awesome. Good plug. One other thing, this Youology is completely gender neutral. So it doesn't matter where you identify, whether you identify as male or female. This works on all skin. All skin. Do you have skin? Youology will work for you. So, do you have skin?
Youology works on our biggest organ.
It does. It does, because skin
Youology is good for the epidermis.
It is. Wow. Are you a Youlogist? Certified Youlogist?
I am not.
Not yet.
But you are.
I am. So, thank you so much for tuning in. Hi, Daphne. And, that's it. So check in tomorrow and see if there's what the update is. All right. Thanks for tuning in.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.